Okay guys, so we're actually gonna go ahead and take a look at a new car, a new project. I don't want to make any promises. I do want to check out the car first. I'm not even gonna bring it home tonight if this is the one. But yeah, we'll show you guys. I'm kind of excited, but I'm also not trying to be overly excited because a couple cars that I was looking into kind of fell through already. So I want to make sure that this is the right car. So we'll update you guys in a little bit.
A few moments later. Tomorrow.
We just did a thing, guys. We just did a thing. Gonna load it up on the trailer right now. Guys, we got a 240. It's a little rough, but honestly, this is what I was looking for. We're almost home. I was just too excited. I had to stop on the side of the road and show you guys. But this is freaking sick. There's a big announcement coming for the channel. We got a big announcement. A lot of things are changing on the channel right now. And this is one of them, guys. This is I'm so excited. I'm so psyched. This is so sick. So we got this car for a pretty good deal. I don't know if I'm gonna tell you guys how much I got it for, but just know that the prices of 240s nowadays, this was a pretty good deal, I want to say, especially for
what's under the hood.
yeah, well, especially for what's under the hood. So I mean,
I think for real though.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm excited, guys. As you guys can already tell, I'm so excited. Like, I don't even know what to say. I can't wait to get this thing home. We're gonna have to unload it off the trailer, and then I'll probably get back with you guys in the morning. But this thing is sick. So I guess while we're here, I should just make an announcement. I'm getting rid of the Z, guys. I'm getting rid of the Z.